World AIDS Day, 1st December 2025. Theme for 2025 is Overcoming Disruption, Transforming the AIDS Response. World AIDS Day is important because it reminds the public and government that HIV has not gone away. Globally, there are an estimated 38 million people who have the virus. Despite the virus only being identified in 1984, more than 35 million people have died of HIV or AIDS-related illnesses, making it one of the most disruptive pandemics in history. Thanks to significant progress in medical research, the theme calls for sustained political leadership, international cooperation, and human rights-centered approaches to end AIDS by 2030.
To a point that you run away. You'll be resisting your husband. You'll be saying, no, today I'm tired. You will feel tired of doing it. So why are you starting now? Please, we have educated you. When you go back there, don't go and behave like the uneducated. Teach them. Let them understand, especially at your home. Let them understand that the HIV is there.
38 million people who have the virus. Despite the virus only being identified in 1984.
But some cultural say figures na ever since last year 2024 report now. Actually say you to cover 15,000 plus. No, I'm talking of the whole country. 15,000 plus people living new infection. Actually say affect no many HIV. And at 12,000 plus but 12,000 plus no, I can say that on authority say about 80% didn't die of the disease. Yes, they die because of the stigma. Stigma kills. Also, we are HIV. Na abusiano na tete no otimitia no dia oh ade ba ko so mesa aka say Ghana say you permit the target of any age by the year 2030 I did one I just say nyina jitu say HIV wo na ye boy ho ban because ebe any age by the year 2030 Ghana AIDS Commission ade ba ko mu hia say ye nyina ye mo because Ghana AIDS Commission no cannot fight this NDAs by the year 20, I can't 5 years back. Entry NDAs by the year 2025 without any yes. Yes, where the man can be say Ghana for 8 years. I saw for no more where them so be HIV positive. Eba was sorry, and I prayer camp. Catch and say, now, young guy said, home na yatama, yaton, home yadia, yatama, yatoma, whom crampo, and money cost in any Andrew, na vampire. Now we crossing home and yatama, still, also there be our sorry, or prayer camp. What vampire, I don't know home in I then not all man in the way they misread. Say Birim Central, yes, celebrating. We share figures now by Birim Central municipality about 1,400 plus people are living. And Ghana, we have over 300 and something thousand plus. This region, you're talking number 3. There are 44,000 plus people living with HIV. When I say you're HIV still, I hope that also in your man and from 2,000.
Please, Jesus.
We have to educate the public for them to know that the HIV is still among us. Ghana AIDS Commission needs all of us our support. If we are not able to support Ghana AIDS Commission with this fight, we will not achieve the target of any AIDS by the year 2030.
Transforming the AIDS response. World AIDS Day is important because it reminds the public and government that HIV has not gone away. Globally, there are an estimated 38 million people who have the virus. Despite the virus only being identified in 1984, more than 35 million people have died of HIV or AIDS-related illnesses,